Feeling unstable after divorce in Omaha? Here's how women regain peace and control fast. Oh, it's quiet now. Papers are signed, the house feels hollow, and even though people keep saying to you, "You got this," you're not even sure what this even is anymore. If life after divorce has you feeling like everything is unstable, emotionally, financially, and even spiritually, you're not alone. Let's talk about how to find peace and control again, and what stability really looks like when the dust starts to settle. When you wake up in the morning and nothing feels familiar, when the walls around you carry more memories and comfort, when every decision feels loaded with pressure, that's not weakness. That's your foundation being shaken overnight. Right now, you might be facing questions like, do I stay in this home or do I leave it behind? Can I afford something new without making a mistake? Do I buy something and regret it later? These aren't questions about real estate. These are questions about rebuilding your life, and that feels enormous. One of the hardest parts? Believing you can't move forward without the other person, that you're not capable of managing it all by yourself. That's a lie. And that's one that women carry silently within them all the time. But it's not true. Let's be real. Stability is not about staying in one spot. It's about choosing a life that supports who you are becoming, not who you were. You don't need everything figured out. You just need space that supports your healing. That might feel for you a home that feels fresh and peaceful. That might be for you finances that feel steady and predictable. That even might feel for you a space that feels steady. That even might feel for you a space that gives you room to breathe and grow. You're not starting over. You're building from a place of strength, a kind of strength you've earned by walking through one of the hardest seasons of your life. I'm Lynetta Anderson, a local real estate agent here in Omaha, Nebraska with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I walk alongside women who are rebuilding after divorce, not with pressure, not with false promises, with space to explore, to ask hard questions, and to choose what actually supports your peace. This process is not about rushing. It's about remembering who you are and aligning your home with that. If this is speaking to your heart, drop a heart in the comments. Share with me what would cause you to have peace in your home at this time. Let's start this conversation because you're not the only one feeling this way. Here's something I hear all the time. If I just stay where I am, everything will feel normal again. But often staying is just another way of staying stuck. That home might look the same, but it doesn't feel the same. If your space constantly reminds you of pain, it's not helping you to heal. It's holding you in place. You're not bound to the past. You're allowed to choose peace. Yes, you are. Women I have worked with have made incredibly brave choices, letting go of homes that carry too much emotional weight, choosing space that feels peaceful and manageable, realizing they were far more capable than imagined. What they all discovered? That God isn't done revealing his plan in their life. And every decision, no matter how small, is a step toward the woman they are becoming. You don't have to rush, but you also don't have to stay stuck. Your life can feel grounded again. Your home can reflect your healing, not your hurt. And you're not starting from nothing. You're starting from strength. The next step? let's look at your space with fresh eyes. In the next video, I'll walk you through 5 signs that your home is actually blocking your healing after divorce, so you can move forward with peace. Click to watch the next video.